going on, guys? Your boy Big Daddy, and I am here with the lovely Mrs. What's up? And guys, we are going to try a session on Dragon Train Forever Emperor. I'm sure you've all seen Dragon Train at this point, know how it goes. But if you take a look, guys, that Fortune 8 is up there. That's what kind of caught our attention.
It's the biggest of the bank.
Yeah, definitely the biggest of the bank. So we are going to give it a try. We have $351 in the machine. So we are going to try some 10 cent, 50 lines, and $5 bet.
Okay.
All right, let's try this. I like the 10 cent denom, and $5 is good for now. And then if we need to jump, we can always jump around. This is our free game symbols, guys. We need 3 of those, or 6 of the nuggets, or whatever they're called. And that is obviously your wild symbol there. The free games in this is kind of cool because if you get him in any of the rows, it goes the full row. So that's kind of cool.
Hopefully we'll get it.
I agree. Come on now. Oh, we need more of those nuggies.
Nuggies.
Nuggies! Nuggies!
I like games with nuggies. Maybe we shouldn't talk about
nuggies. Oh, 2 there and then 2 of the free game symbol. You naughty tease.
Makes me want nuggies real bad.
Nuggies. All right, a little bit there. We are playing the 50 lines, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, one more. Damn. And it was here. It was here. What a tease. Oh, those numbers are very good. That was mean. That was a dirty, dirty teaser.
Now I'm sad.
Oh, there we go. There's the benefit of having more lines. I didn't even know that was a line hit there.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh, it was down here. Yep, I saw it.
Dirty.
Naughty girl. Come on. I was gonna say we need more than that.
Come on, train. I want to ride the train.
Oh! Thought we might have had it there.
I want to ride the train.
Come on, ride the train. Oh, there we go. All right, line hits are starting to pick up. This game has okay line hits. Wouldn't say they're great, but definitely think they're better than garbage.
All right, at 250, do we want to change denom or anything?
Yeah, let me see something real quick.
Okay. Whoa. Yeah. Dollar denom only has 3, 5, or 10 lines.
Right. Let's try some dollar denom $5. Let's try some of that. Oh!
Dang it.
Dang it, boy. We'll do this to like 200. And if we hit nothing, we'll try something else. 3 more. Dang it.
What?
Man, I'm seeing a lot of them go through. That's the worst part. That's the worst part.
Oh.
All right. Wish we had better than a jack there. But we got kings. There we go.
Little ammo.
Little ammo. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I ain't mad at it.
Keep us going. Come on, Dragon Train, now.
Meow. Right meow.
Song of Friggin'.
Yeah. Ooh, dang it. Man, if we could have connected like the green over here. $30. There we go. Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Mrs. had a little heart stoppage there. Come on. You've been teasing us. Now you gotta please us.
Oh. Bring your friends. Come back to the party.
Come on. What happened to all those nuggies, Ange? Yeah, like that.
Come on. You dirty, dirty.
Come on.
Train.
Dirty hooer.
Whoa.
All right, so let's try. Go to penny. I like jumping high to end to low end.
Okay.
All right, want to max bet this? We'll try some max bet on penny. See if this does anything for us here. Oh, yep, it was down there. Yeah, boy. Woo, those are nice numbers. Come on.
Yeah, they are.
We'll take more of those, please. Well, we see some good numbers coming through. We got to connect on them, though. All right, we need a little more than that. Oh,
Three with good numbers.
and two of those. Dirty, dirty tees.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Man. Minnie, the R. Kelly.
That's rude.
Rude. All right, a little bit there.
Little. Come on, Trey.
All right, we're gonna go to 150, and I'm gonna try one more piece of strategy I've seen.
Okay.
All right. Yeah.
What you got?
It's kind of an all or nothing, but
What?
all right, guys, we're on $2 denom. Now we're only playing 3 lines here. You might have seen this before. So it literally is going to be that line, and that line. But if we can get the R. Kelly or the Mini or any of those to drop, look at those
Now,
numbers.
here's a question. Even though it's only 3 lines, we could get the balls anywhere for
Yes,
the bonus.
and you can get the free games.
And the free games. Okay.
Right. But this is traditionally all or nothing. This is traditionally, since you only have 3 lines, your line hits aren't going to keep you in the game. So it's kind of like all or nothing. But I figure we'll do it for $50. See what happens. Maybe we'll get lucky.
Oh,
2 more free game symbols and nothing with it. Oh, that's a good hit. That's $50 on that. Yeah, when you do line them up on the 3 rows, they pay really well.
not so much.
Well, that was only 2. So it's not bad for only 2.
What did you say we're going to?
We'll go to 100. Let's go to 100, see if we can get anything to... All right, that's $10 there. Oh, it didn't line up. All right, come on. That's what we need. We need the free games or we need the nuggies. Let's go. We need way more nuggies than this. All right. I say we get out of here. We're not hitting much on this.
Nothing?
Nothing. Literally nothing. Nope. All right, guys. Hit that thumbs up. We tried. We jumped around Denoms to show you the different things that you could do with the different line counts you have. So hit that thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please do so. And check out our memberships, guys. We do members lives every week. We do live stream every week. And if you join our membership, you are on the wheel of winning, where if your name is spun, you have a chance to win money with our Big Daddy bonus bonanza. So take a look at those memberships. If any of those fit your budget, sign up for one. Trust me, you will not regret it. I love you all. We'll see you next time. Peace.